Okay, I want to find the surface area of the triangular prism to the nearest square inch. So again, it's yummy coffee. Now these little hash marks here, by the way, right there, those mean inches, okay? So these are all measured in inches. If I want to find the surface area of this triangular prism, what I would need to do is first, let me look at the bases, which are triangles. And I have two of them. So I'm going to do 2 times the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 of base times height. So I have 1/2, and the base of our triangle is 1.25 times the height, which is 6.22. This is kind of confusing with the dots. I'm going to make these x's, even though I said we don't use these for multiplication anymore. Okay, and then when I multiply this out, I'm going to get 7.775 square inches. Then I have the front and the back of the box. The front and the back of the box are rectangles. There are 2 of them that are the same size. They are 3, the length times width, so you could do, well, you do 6.25 times 3.25. When I multiply this all out, I get 40.625 square inches. And then I have the bottom, which we can't see. And the bottom, there's only one of those, and that is 3.25 times 1.25 because it's a rectangle. And this is 4.0625. If I add all of these up, I will have the surface area of this triangular prism, which is 54.4625. Now to the nearest square inch, I would say it's approximately equal to 54 square inches, or inches squared. All right, let's move on. I want you to do the same thing, except for do it with this one. Now this one I want you to try by yourself, so you can pause the video. However, realize that the 2 bases here are equilateral triangles. That's what these little black marks on the sides here mean, that they're all the sides the same. That's kind of important. That'll help you with this problem. So try it. Pause the video and try it. Okay, again, the bases are equilateral triangles. What that means is that the 3 rectangular faces are congruent. Meaning they're the same size, because they're all 8 inches long, and since the sides of the triangle are all the same, that means that they're all going to be 1.25 inches wide as well. So for the bases, I have the equilateral triangles, and this is 2 times 1/2 of the base. The base here is 1.25 times the height, which is 1. Now, I don't know if you guys realize this, but when you multiply 2 times 1/2, 2 times 1/2 is just 1. And 1 times anything is itself. So I end up having 1 times 1.25 times another 1, and it just stays 1.25. And then I have the rectangular faces, and I have 3 of those, and they are 8 inches by 1.25, and this comes out to be 30. When I add these together, I get a surface area of 31.25 inches squared, or square inches. And that is surface area of triangular prisms.